Well, Wendy, we do have a white Christmas of sorts. It's called fog.
Yes, we had the fog early this morning, dense fog in some places, and then it began to lift. By about 10 o'clock this morning, things started to really quiet down and clear up for us. But we've got a cold front coming in tonight, so we may get a little bit of a mixture of fog once again into the picture. But more likely, what we are going to be getting for the overnight time period is this front is going to move on through and bring us some sprinkles, not even some heavy rain. Isn't that wonderful? The timing of this front is going to be the greatest gift that we're going to be getting, because as the front comes on through, and right now you can almost see where it's situated right here across the northern part of our state, extending into the Gulf of Mexico, and then eventually this front is going to be moving on into central Florida. But right now, some very light rains are picking up over the northern part of the state at this point as this front starts to very slowly make its way down across the state of Florida. So we get the cold front is coming in tonight. A slight chance of showers for us. The rains are not going to be problematic, and we are also looking for cooler weather and breezy conditions tomorrow. So here's how things are going to time out. Right now we're looking at this frontal system situated across the northern part of the state, and then this front is slowly going to be moving on into central Florida. By around 4 o'clock in the morning, we may see a couple of showers affecting our area, but notice it's 4 in the morning. No one in your household should be up. It shouldn't be bothering anybody. And then as the front comes on through, we're going to see it moving on through our area between the hours of 8 and 10 o'clock in the morning. We are going to be left with mostly cloudy conditions throughout the morning hours, and then the front moves on through and things are going to be clearing up for us. So if you're expecting to have meals outside tomorrow, you can do it. You don't have to worry about any rain. And as far as the temperatures are concerned, right now we're looking at readings still in the 70s across the area, but you'll notice that during the day tomorrow, temperatures are going to start to cool off. Beginning at around 5 in the morning, we're going to see those 40s across the northern part of the state. We're still going to be in the mid-60s, but then as the day wears on, we are not going to be warming up all of that much. We're going to be seeing our temperatures right around that 70-degree mark across our region for the daytime highs, and that won't take place until about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll see those temperatures only getting up to around 70 for the highest temperature of the day. So that's going to be a comfort for us, and what we're looking at right now is just partly cloudy skies across the region. We don't have any rain right now. All of the wet weather is still to our north. Remember, we're not expecting to see the showers develop for our area until after midnight. And of course, if you do have anybody doing any traveling, especially around the Midwest, that's where they're having all the snow and the icy conditions taking place. The coldest temperatures are still over the northern plain states, where they have single digits and teens. Imagine. And then as we take a look across the southeast, where the front has already gone through, you'll notice that Atlanta now is 48 degrees. This time last night they were in the 60s, and as you can see, the colder weather hasn't quite reached New Orleans at 63 degrees. So this frontal system is eventually going to be coming on through and bringing some cooler temperatures. But today we saw a temperature high of 78 degrees, an overnight low of 59, and right now we're looking at our temperatures in the 70s all across the region. You can go to the beach tomorrow. Just keep in mind we do have small craft advisories that are going to stay in effect throughout the morning hours, and then things will start to clear off. We're looking at some clearing conditions during the afternoon on Monday. The high only 70 for the day, and so it only lasts a day before we start to get back up into the mid to upper 70s, and then on Friday a 20% chance of rain with the next cold front.